I love cacao, so let's do a product review of these different cacao coca chocolate drinks. First one is Harm's Harvest. I've had this one before. It's my favorite. It's the only one I've had out of these three. It's very velvety. It has that rich, bitter cacao taste. So I already know how this one tastes. I like it. It is with coconut only. Comparing it to this brand, Forager, it is cashew and coconut with dates and vanilla extract and coconut cream. Yeah. So I'm excited to taste this one. And then this is a new brand. It's called Rebel. And they put maca root powder with the cacao. And they also added some other herbal infusions like chicory, um, some other things in here, some coconut sugar. So let's see which one is the best. Okay, I'll show the consistency. So this is the consistency of the Harmless Harvest one. It's good. I already knew it was gonna be great. This is my favorite one. I would use this as an icing on a cake, like a frosting. Thicken it up as a frosting. It's good. The taste is there, the bitterness, but also sweetness from the coconut. And the coconut taste is there too. Okay, next is this cashew coconut one. I think this one is going to be sweeter because it has cashew. And then this one's going to be the sweetest because they added coconut sugar. They filled it to the brim. I like that. This smells like the Nesquik, the Nesquik chocolate drinks. Yeah, this smells like Nesquik and it smells like Ensure. So I'll show you the consistency of this one. Definitely more liquidy. Okay. It's like a deep chocolate flavor, but some type of grittiness from the cashews, and like a little patchy rough on the tongue, but it's still smooth. It tastes great. It reminds me of Ensures. Okay, let's get into the maca. Also, this one is not that sweet. It's not overly sweet. This smells like coconut sugar. Oh, I didn't even drink all this. Hold on. All right, let's pour it up. I guess they're all kind of the same consistency. This one might be a little bit more thicker because they add the coconut jelly into it. This one's really sweet. Yeah. This one's really sweet. I don't really do too much sweet things, so this is too sweet for me. I wouldn't drink this every day. I would add this to warm drinks, maybe chai, if I wanted like a cacao tea or something. I would add this in replacement of sweetener. This is a little bit too sweet with the coconut sugar. And then they also added stevia as well. So the coconut and the stevia is a little bit too much sweetness for me. And this one was the last one on the shelf of the cacao drinks. So I was like, let's see what this one is about. And people have a sweet tooth, so that's probably why this one was all gone. So in comparison, which one is the best? I still have to say it's Harvest Harvest. This is a close second. I do like the cashew taste, and it's not too sweet with the dates. So you should try these if they're in your local markets.